In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step. Assign a certificate to a course. First, we'll make sure your certificate is ready to go. Head to your certificates area and either create a new certificate or open an existing one you want to reuse. Take a moment to customize the layout, the text, and your branding so it reflects your look and tone. Keep the design clean and legible. A high-quality background image and clear margins make a big difference. Include the essentials you want learners to see, like the course name and completion date, and preview your design so you're confident it looks right on different screens. When you're happy, save your updates so they're available to assign. Next, let's link that certificate to a specific course. From your Thinkific admin dashboard, navigate to Users, then open Certificates. Click into the certificate you plan to assign. On the Certificate Settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see a section labeled Certificate For. Use the drop-down to select the course you want this certificate to be connected to. Take a second to double-check you've chosen the correct course, especially if you have similar course names. This selection is what tells Thinkific which learners should receive this certificate. You can optionally set an expiry for the certificate. Choose either a number of days after it's issued, which works well for time-limited credentials, or pick a specific date if there's a fixed deadline across all learners. If you don't need certificates to expire, simply leave this blank. Whatever you decide, be intentional about how the expiry supports your course goals and communicate that expectation to your learners. When everything looks good, click Save at the top right of the page. Saving is essential. Without it, your assignment and expiry settings won't take effect. From here on out, the process is automatic. Once assigned, students will receive the certificate when they complete 100% of the published lessons in that course. If some lessons are still in draft, they don't count toward completion, so make sure everything learners must finish is published. It's a great idea to run a quick check with a test learner to confirm the certificate triggers exactly when you expect. And that's it. You prepared your certificate, assigned it to the right course, set an optional expiry, and saved your settings. Now your learners can earn a professional-looking certificate the moment they finish the course, without any extra work from you.